Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put about negative s to the power of 3. Later that we need to add back positive s to the power of 3. Next, I will put negative s squared. Later that we need to add back positive s squared. Negative 4s, I will put about negative 3s and positive s gone here. Negative s gone here. Next, about this one, I will put negative s squared. Later that we need to add back positive s squared. So this one I will put negative s, negative 2s. Next, we can do about factorization by s to the power of 3. Similar for this one. This one, negative number 3. This one by s squared by s, negative number 2. Next, s minus 1 we can do about factorization. Similar for this one. Now we need to simplify s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Now we put number 1 gone here, 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 and here. So we see that we still have about 0 over 0. So in this situation, we can do another factorization. So we have negative number 3 and negative number 2. We can put about negative number 1, negative number 1, and negative number 1. Similar for this one, negative number 1, negative number 1. So we have the formula in here. And the second one, now I will put negative number 1 gone here and negative number 1 gone here. So I will put negative number 1 gone here. So this one, that is about 1 to the power of 3, 1 to the power of 2, 1 to the power of 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one and this one with this one into this one. Now we can do about factorization by s minus 1. Now we simplify s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Now we can put number 1 going here, 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 and here. So we have the final answer. That is about number 6 over 3. And we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.